Welcome to Salesforce training videos from SP Tech. SP Tech is Salesforce consulting services based in Atlanta, Georgia. Hello everyone. In this module, you will learn how to create an account into Salesforce. So if you are a beginner and you want to set up your Salesforce org where you can practice and learn Salesforce, so simply type developer.salesforce.com. So in this page at top right corner, you can click on sign up. And by filling this information, you will be able to get a full featured copy of the platform for free. And this will be your Salesforce Developer Edition. So you need to provide your first name, last name, then your email address. You can pick any role from this pick list. Then any company name you can provide. Then you can select the country as per your location, then postal code. Username should be in form of email. And after filling all these information, you can click on this sign me up. Once you hit this button, so you will receive an email on your email account, whatever email ID you will be providing here. And in that email, you will find a button where if you click on that button, so you need to set your password. And after setting password, you will be jumping into Salesforce. So here you can see I am into Salesforce org right now. So you will see two types of UI in Salesforce. One that is known as front end of Salesforce. Here you can see various tabs are available like home, chatter, groups, files, accounts, contacts. And if you come here, so you can see it is basically setup, which is known as backend of Salesforce. So whenever you want to do any configuration, so you would require setup. And if you want to test whether that configuration is implemented properly or not, so you can come here on the UI. So now, if you are on UI and you want to jump to setup, so I'm just closing this tab. And from the UI, if you click on this gear icon, and here you can find setup option. You just need to click on this button and automatically you will be getting set up in a new tab. And here in quick find, you can find anything that you want to configure. If you want to search all the objects, so you can go to object manager and here you will find all available objects. Now, if you log in and if you jump to setup directly, and if you want to open any application. So basically here, if you focus, so this is service application. Now, from this setup, I want to open any application. So just click on this button, which is known as app launcher. And here you can see various applications are listed. So simply click on view all. You will find all available applications. So you can select whatever application you want to view. So if I want to view sales application, so I'm clicking on sales and it will be opened automatically. And all the tabs related to sales application will be visible. So if I click on accounts, so I can see account related information. So from here, I just need to click all accounts. And if any account record is available, so that record will be displayed here. So right now in this org, we don't have any data. So if you want to set up the data, you can. So now I'm going to show you like how you can create data in Salesforce. So if I click on new, so from here, I will be able to create new account. So I'm just filling account name. So let's say account name is SP Tech. And here you can see we have some more blocks. So in Salesforce, basically these blocks are known as fields. So phone, fax, website, account name, parent account, type, employees, all these are fields. So I just provided this account name because here you can see this red asterisk is available, which means this field is required. So required fields, you need to provide the values, and after that you can click on save. So here you can see one account record is created. If I go to details, I can see whatever information I have provided. And if I click on this tab again, so here you can see one record is listed. And if I go here, click on all accounts, so again you can see only one account is there. So these are basically list views. So recently viewed is basically pinned, so it will be opened automatically. And if you want to see all accounts, so you can go to this list view as well. So right now, like I just demonstrated you how you can create your account in Salesforce as a developer edition org, so that you can get a free copy of Salesforce instance. And I just demoed you how you can access front end and back end of Salesforce. In upcoming videos, I will be explaining you more features related to Salesforce. If you are based in USA and looking to start or advance your career with Salesforce, please reach out to us at hr@sptechusa.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Salesforce training videos. Thank you.